welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star hotel. This video will provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this resort like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen the hotel location and nearby locations and landmarks are also provided. To see more than thousands of reviews of this hotel, you can go to Hakata.com. Its review rating is 8.5, which means great. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room night, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Category 5. 6. As you can see on the screen, this property 10 type of room is available on Agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. Location of the hotel is first class and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time of this hotel is 3 p.m.